Question number 9 from circle. A circle whose radius is 7 has its center at the origin. Which of the following points are outside the circle? These 4 are the points. These 4. 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 6. This is a sister question to the previous question we just did, having the center at origin, the circle. So, same thing. Circle is at origin. And he says the radius is 7. Now, we got to tell that which of these points is outside and which of these points is inside. So, any point that gives the radius less than 7, that is inside. If it's more than 7, it's outside. Simple. So, like we did earlier, we use these points in Pythagorean theorem. Whatever is here, like it was 1, 1, so we used 1 square plus 1 square. It's 4, 4, we use 4 square plus 4 square, because this is now Pythagorean. This, if this point is 4, 4, base is 4 and perpendicular is 4. So Pythagorean, r square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 16 plus 16, 32. 32 is far less than 7. It's even less than 6. So it's inside somewhere. Okay? Not outside. So we have to find out which one are outside the circle. Alright, let's test 5, 5. Under root 5 square plus 5 square. 25 plus 25, 50. Yeah, it's more than 7, because under root 49 is 7. So under root 50 should be more than 7. So it's more than 7. So it's outside. This one is fine. Third, 4, 5. 4 square plus 5 square. 16 plus 25, 41. It's less than 7. No. The last one, 4, 6. 4 square plus 6 square. 16 plus 36. It's 52. It's greater than 7. It's outside. So this and this, 2 and 4 are outside the circle. Okay, the answer to this question is 2 and 4D. Okay. Question 10. If the outer diameter of a metal pipe is 2.84 inches and the inner diameter is 1.94 inches, the thickness of the metal in inches is. So usually students just subtract them, this and this. We need to find out this thickness. So we need to convert these two into radii first, or what you need to do is, if you subtract these two, means you are subtracting this outer diameter and inner diameter. Inner diameter from outer diameter. If you subtract them, that will be 0.90. And what is this? This is this and this. The sum of this and this, two thicknesses. We need just one. Okay? So divide this by 2. That will be 0.45. The other way is, divide this diameter and find out radius. This is inner radius, this is outer radius. Subtract inner radius from outer. You will get this thickness. This is another, either way you will get 0.45. Either you divide them first and subtract, or you subtract them first and divide by 2. Either way you will get 0.45. Okay? So the answer to this question number 10 is 0.45. That is A. Question 11. How far will a wheel of radius 2 feet travel in 500 revolutions? Assume the wheel does not slip. The radius is 2 feet and it makes 500 revolutions. What's the total distance covered? So what is circumference? When it comes to wheel, the circumference means the distance traveled in one complete cycle, one complete revolution. So this wheel, the circumference 2 pi r means the distance covered by this wheel in one complete revolution. So the radius is 2 feet in this question. So 4 pi is the distance of one complete revolution. But the wheel makes 500 revolutions. So 500 multiplied by 4 pi means 2000 pi is the distance of 500 revolutions. Okay. So first you find the distance of one revolution, that is circumference 2 pi r, and then you multiply it by 500 to finding out the distance traveled in 500 revolution. Because does not slip, so the distance remains this. Okay, 2000 pi. So the answer to this question by 11 is 2000 pi, that is B.